So I'm actually going to disable feature caching just to make this workspace go a little bit faster. And I'm going to go ahead and run the workspace while I explain what's going on. So we have these two business licensing sheets. And so we can see that the one sheet only really has business information on it. And then the licensing sheet only has licensing information. The goal here is to look at one feature that has both the business and the licensing information on the same feature. So to do this, we're going to be using a feature joiner. And a feature joiner in this case is going to be doing the same arithmetic or the same analysis that the VLOOKUP does in Excel. So here the feature joiner is going to join the records from the left and the right spreadsheet using a unique identifier. So in this case, license RSN exists on both spreadsheets, and we'll be using this as our unique key. From here, we're going to go to a test filter, and this is where we're going to conditionally route values based on a couple of different things. So firstly, we're looking to see if the fee has been paid. So if the attribute is missing, we know the fee has not been paid. And then the status should be issued. So we want to know what licenses are being used but have not been paid for. If the licenses have not been paid, we're going to route this to a sorter, and that's so that we're going to sort by date. And so the longest outstanding payments will be shown at the top of the spreadsheet. Where the licenses have been paid, we're going to send this to a statistics calculator, and we're going to group by status. So we're looking to see how many different statuses have actually paid and what the total mean or the average fee that they're paying. You'll notice now we have three different feature types. So here we're writing all of our unpaid licenses to one feature type. We're writing a license summary with the summary report from the statistics calculator. And then we're actually doing a fan out here. So in this workspace, we have two different fan outs that are going on. We have the data set fan out, which will be splitting the data by the status value. And then we also have a data set fan out. So if we come to the writer over here, we can see we've set a fan out expression that will leverage today's date and add it in the file. So a data set fan out will produce the number of output data sets, each of which will have a number of layers created by the feature type fan out. If we take a look at what this looks like on the output, so you'll see I've run this a couple of times, apologies. We can see we have multiple sheets spread out by that status, and then we also have a summary table. So we have our license fee summary and then unpaid licenses, and then we'll have all of those attributes from the status with their corresponding features.